Hello everyone. In this video we will solve this exponential equation x to the power 4 minus 9 is equal to 0. So let's get started. First of all, I'll rewrite this problem as x to the power 2 or to the power 2 minus, then I'll write this 9 as 3 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Right, this is difference of two squares where a to the power 2 minus b to the power 2 is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So we use this idea to expand this. So we have x to the power 2 plus 3 times x to the power 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here, this expression means that it is either x to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to 0 or x to the power 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we will consider this equation first. So from here, we have x to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to 0, and we want to find the value of x. So we will subtract each side of the equation by 3, then here by 3, so that this positive 3 will take care of this negative 3. So we have x squared is equal to negative 3. Since we want to find the value of x, we take the square root on both sides of the equation. And mind you, this is plus or minus. Right, so these two will take care of the square root, so we are left with x is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 3. Right, and note that this is the same as, so this is the same as x is equal to positive square root of negative 3 and negative square root of negative 3. Right, so let's consider this first. This is the same as x is equal to square root of 3 times square root of negative 1, and this is what we call imaginary number, and it is equal to I. So this is x is equal to square root of 3i. Then let's consider this one. Let's consider this one also. So from this we have x is equal to negative square root of negative 3, and this is the same as negative square root of 3 times square root of negative 1. And note that square root of negative 1 is the same as I. Is the same as I. So this could also be written as x is equal to negative square root of 3i. Right, so we are done with this first equation. Now let's consider this equation. So here we have x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. Since we want to find the value of x, we will add 3 to the both sides of the equation, so that this negative 3 will take care of this positive 3. So we are left with x squared is equal to 3. Since we want to find the value of x, we will take square root on both sides of the equation. And note that this is plus or minus. Right, so these two will take care of this. So our x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. So guys, the value of x from this problem is x is equal to this one, then this. So we have square root of 3i, comma, then negative square root of 3i, then this one. So we have square root of 3, then negative square root of 3. So these are the values of x from this problem. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video.